up, guys? I'm going to wait for a couple people to get in here. Got some big news. If you guys can hear me, put a 1 in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. I got 1. What's up, man? You guys are going to want to hear this. I got some breaking news for you. Oh, man. I see ya. It tells me I got 1 person in here. I know I got at least 2. Oh, 8. It just jumped up. I got some breaking news for you guys. You guys are going to want to hear this. Oh, man. Oh, man. Big news. Big update on my court case for me getting arrested at the Palmer Courthouse and being trespassed for life. Oh, it's good news, my brother. It's good news. You're going to love this. I'm telling you. All right. I got 8 people in here. I'm pretty sure I got more than that. All right. Here you guys go. The judge dropped the charges. Yeah. The judge dropped the charges. I got an email from my attorney about 4 o'clock, 4:20, 4:30, somewhere in there. The judge she dismissed all the charges of the arrest and the unlawful illegal arrest at the Palmer Courthouse. The trespass, yeah, I know, I see that. Thank you. Yes, bravo. Heck yeah. Big news, you guys. Big news. The court hearing for tomorrow is canceled. I did post that. I will be taking that down. I did a video. I'm doing this video right now to let you guys know that all of you that are going to come to the hearing or participate by phone, it's been canceled. The charges have been dropped 100%. The judge did the right thing. I'm surprised that the judge actually dropped the charges. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I did not think she was going to drop the charges. I knew it was the right thing to do. I knew that when I got arrested at the courthouse, I knew that it was unlawful. Yes, across the board. Oh, it's been dropped. All of it. All of it's been dropped. It's gone. It's not over yet. I'm not done. And you guys know what I'm talking about. People will be held accountable for their actions. And like you guys know me, I will be transparent about the whole thing. I don't hide shit from you guys. You guys are the only time I don't put stuff out is if my legal counsel tells me not to. Okay. There was a witness at that last hearing that she's the court clerk, the one that assisted me, and I know she's watching this right now, and I know the DA's watching this right now. She didn't want her image plastered all over the internet. Well, you know what's funny about that? She's already on all social media, and I'm going to expose that. So if you don't want to be on social media, don't have a Facebook, don't have an Instagram, because that's just ridiculous. So the charges have been dropped. I want to thank my attorney, Jose Musa, Inlet Law in Homer. You guys nailed it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. In the comments, you guys, let him know, man. We appreciate him and everybody that works in his office. All 3 of you. I know you guys are watching. I appreciate you, Jose, and everybody that's worked on my case. If she was, hold on. She wouldn't look like such a fool. Yeah, it's not just her. It's everybody involved in my case is going to be held accountable. We will not stand for this. That's why I'm doing this. I don't want to give you guys too much information because I don't want to tip my hat quite yet. I am not done. This is just the start. Getting the handcuffs taken off, the knife to my neck. Now that that's gone, now we start a whole nother chapter, a whole nother fight. So yeah, I just wanted to go live and let you guys know that the charges have been dropped for the criminal trespass. That I was trespassed from the Palmer Courthouse for 99 years. I've been trespassed from the Fairbanks Courthouse for 99 years or 50 years or whatever it is. That will be addressed. So yeah, I want to thank my counsel, Nick. Holy crap, dude, you're a freaking rock star. I agree 100%. I agree 100%. That's not going to happen though, unfortunately. There's other ways. There's other things that we can do about that. And the officer admitted that I didn't commit a crime. He admitted on the stand that I didn't commit a crime, that there was no crime committed. It's not a crime to record in the courthouse, in publicly accessible areas. And that's my entire argument. They cannot make a rule and call it law. It's not law. It's a policy. I don't follow their policy. I follow the law. If I'm not breaking the law, they have no jurisdiction over us. None. And that's the entire point that we've been trying to make this entire time. They can make policies and rules and bulletins all they want. It doesn't mean nothing unless it's a law. If they want to make it illegal for us to film in the courthouse, you know what they need to do? They need to go to legislation. They need to go to the House and the Senate in Alaska. They need to take it to Juneau and fight it that way. They can't just make a policy. That's not how it works. And that's been my entire argument this whole time. I don't follow their policy. I follow the law. I didn't break a law. That's why it got dropped. That's why the judge dropped it. There's no law was broken. In fact, the officer broke the law when he arrested me. That's breaking the law. He took my liberty from me and threw me in jail. And you guys know what? I've been in jail this whole time. Yeah, I've been out on the streets and I've been able to do my thing. I've had charges. I've had conditions of release this whole time. And it's both, honestly. Yeah, it's both. I didn't think the judge was going to drop the charges. I'll be honest. I really didn't think she was going to drop the charges. I thought that she was in on it. I thought that, and I'm being honest, I thought the judge was in on it. I've got so much evidence against these people. It's crazy. Like, and I'm going to publish all of it. All the emails, all the documents that I have, everything that I have, I'm going to publish. And that's why they're scared. They're scared of me because of you guys, because I publish everything for you guys to see. Everything. I don't hold back. I have no reason to hold back. I got nothing to hide. They do. That's why they brought charges up on me. That's why they've been playing this game this whole time. What about the old man that the cops beat? These cops need. Whoa, oh shit. Oh, my bad. These cops need to go to jail. I agree. I did not. I did think the judge was on. Yeah, a lot of people thought that the judge was on it too. And I don't know if she's watching my channel or not, but if she is, Christina, I appreciate it. You did the right thing by dropping the charges. She should have dropped the charges from the beginning, in my opinion. I don't think it should have gone this far. My attorney, David Long, now that these charges are dropped, I'm going to put a story out on all the freaking attorneys that I dealt with, that I fired. I fired 2 attorneys David Long at Quackenbush, don't use them, okay? And I'm going to put a video out on it and why. Do not use Blake Felton Quackenbush in Anchorage. They're crooks, okay? Absolutely, and this is my opinion. They're crooks, okay? Sandra Ralph, in, oh shoot, what's her law office? I don't know her law office in Fairbanks. I don't have it with me. Do not use her. She's just as bad, if not worse, than Quackenbush, okay? I called 130 attorneys to represent me in all of this, okay? And by the way, donations are very well appreciated. Like, your guys' donations, I run off donations. I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to support what I'm doing, donate. It helps. I'm not kidding you. I couldn't do this without your guys' donations. I'm serious, okay? Just want to say that. I'm going to do a video on the attorneys. I called 130 attorneys because the judge wouldn't allow me to represent myself. I'm going to do a story on that too. And I'm going to put every single attorney that I called in a video. Every one of them. All of the attorneys. Don't go to Anchorage to get an attorney. They're all garbage. Every single one of them. One attorney wanted $900 an hour and a $25,000 retainer. Are you freaking kidding me? For a misdemeanor? Really? Anyways, I don't want to get the charges have been dropped. I really appreciate my attorney. Jose, you are a rock star, dude. You freaking killed it in court. I mean, killed it. I appreciate that. And I'm going to give you guys, so, hey, Oregon. I'm from Oregon. I'm from Portland, Oregon. You're in Medford? I know right where you're at. What is up, bro? Heck yeah, man. Oregon, Medford, I know right where you're at. I used to live in Beaverton. I lived in Beaverton, Portland, Gresham, Oregon City. I know all about it. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm happy too. My opinion is my opinion. And if you guys really want my legal opinion on this, it's not a legal opinion. I'm not a lawyer, but I have a lot of experience now with trying to get an attorney and going through the system. This is my first time dealing with courts. If you look at my record, my court view, that's all traffic tickets. I wouldn't move up to Alaska. I'll tell you right now, I wouldn't move to Alaska. Let me clean it up a little bit first. So all of my court view is traffic tickets. I've never dealt with trials, and I've never dealt with any of this stuff. Good lawyers are rare, yes. And I'm telling you guys, Inlet Law in Homer, Alaska, Jose and his team are top notch. And I really don't want to put him out there because when I need him, I want him to be there. But I don't want him to get too busy where he can't handle my cases. So he deserves it, though. I'm going to put him out there. You guys call him and tell him we appreciate him. Like, he is a freaking rock star. I'm serious, man. Like, I've been shut down by so many attorneys. I had one attorney that was going to take my case, and then like 2 weeks later, all of a sudden she doesn't want to take it anymore. Right? Okay? Because she's getting calls, or someone in the background was telling these attorneys not to represent me. Jose just moved up here from Florida. Just moved up here. He's not in with all the corruption and shit. Okay? He's top notch. I'm telling you, if you guys need an attorney, one that's gonna fight for you, Jose Musa, Inlet Law. Homer, Alaska. Okay, I'm going to do a story on that, and I'll give you guys the information in the story. But back to what I was saying, I've never been accused of an actual crime before. This is my first time. I got a lot of traffic, speeding. I was young. I didn't care. No insurance. I personally don't think you should have to have insurance. I do now because you just eventually grow up and just deal with it, right? Speeding tickets, no insurance tickets, and then you got the random people that want to, put restraining orders, and it's all BS. But when it comes to actual criminal charges, this is my first time. First time going into court, first time dealing with a judge, first time having to hire an attorney. This is the first for me. So this was all new to me when I first started, and now I'll tell you what, the judicial system is, I'm trying not to swear, the judicial system is foobarred. It is an absolute joke, okay? Now, I've been working, a lot of you might not know this, a lot of my new subscribers might not know this, but I have been working on the Palmer Courthouse since 2015, okay? My first video on the Palmer Courthouse I published in 2015. I've been working on the Palmer Courthouse for 10 years, right? Okay. I expected all of this. The day I got arrested, I wasn't planning on getting arrested that day. I was there just to take care of a ticket. I did not want to get arrested. I had other things to do, but it happened the way it happened. I guess, the Lord works in mysterious ways, right? So, I appreciate you guys standing behind me, backing me up, having my back. Your donations, if it wasn't for your guys' donations, I'm telling you, I couldn't do this. 30 grand, over 30 grand in lawyer fees. Holy crap. And we haven't even gotten into the other part yet. I don't want to say too much. I don't want to tip my hat, but I'm not, this isn't over. This is not over yet. These people will be held accountable. I'm telling you right now. Anybody that touched my case is going to be held accountable. In one way or another, they got to be held accountable. They're not going to go to jail because you guys know as well as I do. It's just the way it is. It's the system. It's corrupt. It's a corrupt system. And I'm trying to expose that. I'm trying to show you guys how corrupt it is. And it starts at the courthouse, you guys. It starts at the courthouse. The courthouse, if the courthouse didn't allow this stuff to happen, if my charges would have been dropped immediately and the judge would have been like, what the hell is this guy doing in my courtroom? Why did you guys bring him in my courtroom? They would have, the DA and none of this would have happened. The officer wouldn't have arrested me. None of this would have happened. Right? That's where we're at right now. We're at the top of the food chain, the court system, right? The court. What happens below that? It all trickles down. It's like a domino effect, right? That's why I've been going after the Palmer Courthouse, because they need to change. They need to change. They can't treat people like this. It's unconstitutional. They're there for what, justice? Don't even get me started, you guys. It's a joke, it really is. But I'm gonna bring you guys along for the whole thing. I'm not gonna give away too much information because the charges, yeah, they've been dropped, but we're not done yet. So I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, donate. If you got deep pockets, donate, man. It's a good cause. We're fighting for your guys' freedom, really, for your kids, your grandkids, your great grandkids. This is gonna affect generations. I hope it does. And this is gonna affect, if this goes the way I'm hoping it's gonna go, I'm hoping and praying, this is gonna affect the entire west coast of the United States, if not the whole country. So we're not done yet. I appreciate you guys. Jose, you're freaking amazing, dude. You're a rock star. Nick, you're a rock star. Seriously. And everybody else has donated, and give me, words of encouragement. I appreciate every one of you. Everyone in my family that has backed me on this, I appreciate that. It's been kind of rough. I didn't think the judge was going to drop the charges, you guys. I really didn't. She did the right thing though. So I mean, I got to give her props. She did the right thing. The DA, what was her name? Jordan Markson. You're trash. Christopher G. Long, you're trash, bro. Yeah, how far did that get you? Arrest me? Yeah, enjoy your victory tonight and keep what'd that say? Internet battles, yeah. The battle's not won, but this is a victory for the people. This is a big victory, you guys. Yeah, I'm not going to let him get away with it. And I think that they thought that I was going to fold. She offered me 5 plea deals. Like, after the first 2, you think she'd give up, right? What got dropped? The charges. My criminal trespass at the Palmer Courthouse, the arrest. It's all gone. Poof. It's all gone. The judge threw it out. Yeah. Freaking amazing, man. Absolutely amazing. I just found out about 4:30, 4:20, somewhere in there. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. The fight's not over yet, but that part of it is. So, yeah, share these videos with your guys' friends, your family, coworkers. Share them with everybody. Let's get some more eyes on this channel. Let's let people know, hey, we're not going anywhere. Tell Long he can bite me. Yeah, he can do more than that. He can roll over and bark at the moon for all I care. Oh, I love that one. That's a good one. He can bite me. Yeah. Go video in the courtroom tomorrow. No, courtroom tomorrow. That's why I actually did this live, was to let you guys know the court hearing for tomorrow has been canceled. Hey, I know you, Big Lake. I see you. No, the court hearing for tomorrow has been canceled. That's why I went live, was to let you guys know that there's not going to be a court hearing tomorrow. Thank you, Satoshi. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's been a fight, dude. It's been a fight. I ain't giving up, though. I'll tell you that right now. And any government official that watches my channel, I don't give up. I'm not doing this for clicks and views. Okay? I'm doing this to promote transparency and accountability within our government and to make sure they treat us with respect. And if they don't, they can go get a job somewhere else, in the private sector or wherever. If they don't like our laws, they can move to freaking Korea. Go to Korea. If you don't like the way things are here in America, go to Korea. We are free people. They work for us, and that's the bottom line. We don't work for them. We don't follow their policies. We follow the law. So, yeah. All right, well, you guys, I'm going to get off here. I don't even know how long I've been on here. 20 minutes. Okay, that's good. Thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, donate if you can. Share the videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Later.